Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Focus on Pollution. Government allocates additional rupees 496 crore to fix roads. See, every year the government makes a plan. This is how much we will spend. This is called the budget estimate, which is BE. Now, but during the year, new problems come like road break, pollution increases, project gets up, delayed, costs go up. So the government updates the budget, and the budget updated plan is called the revised estimate, which is RE. Okay, think of it like you planned 100 for the month, but after phone repair and party, you just need 120 more. So you revised your budget. So what did exactly Delhi government do? Delhi government increased spending by 496 crore to fix urgent problems. The main focus will be dust and air pollution, roads, drainage, schooling, and housing transport. Because Delhi's biggest enemies are dust plus pollution plus traffic plus broken roads. Now, big winner is transport and roads, because money from transport, roads, bridges, buses was increased from 12,952 crore to 16,024 crore, and that's a big jump. This means better roads, flyovers, electric buses, less traffic, less dust. They also want to clean the Yamuna, stop waterlogging, improve sewage. All of this will reduce pollution and flooding. Now, the education has also got more money. So from education, the budget was raised to 20,702 crore. This means better school buildings, more classrooms, digital boards, teacher facilities. Delhi wants its schools to stay best in India. Now, housing and urban development, the money increased to 11,754 crores, and this will be used for slum redevelopment, new houses, better drainage, urban infrastructure, so poor and middle class people can live in better, cleaner homes. Where is this money coming from? See, Delhi earns more from taxes, fees, transport, electricity, buses, business activity. The government expects the income to go up, and so it can spend more. Now, why is Delhi really trying to do? What exactly is Delhi really trying to do? So the goal is simple: make Delhi a cleaner, healthier, less polluted, better connected city. So we have to see how will the implementation pan out, because that's where our country lacks the most. We make a lot of budgets, we take out a lot of budgets, we do a lot of schemes, but implementation is the harder part. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. This topic is highly important for GS paper 2, governance, GS paper 3, economy and environment, GS paper 1, society and urbanization, and for essay also this paper becomes highly important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.